Love the Cracker Barrel's famous Saturday only fried pork chops? Get ready, because I'm showing you how to make these crispy, juicy chops any day of the week. You are going to need bone-in pork chops for the best flavor. We are going to pat those dry and season them with salt and pepper on both sides. Then we are going to make a simple seasoned flour mixture. You're just going to need all-purpose flour, salt, and black pepper. You're going to dip those seasoned pork chops into the flour. Then you're going to dredge them into a buttermilk mixture, just buttermilk and water. Then back into the seasoned flour. And then you are going to fry these at 350 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. Flip halfway through. Just look at that golden crust. And while they rest, just put together some gravy, quick and easy. I've used Pioneer gravy mix. It tastes great. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, just like the restaurant version, but available whenever the craving hits. Drop a like if you're making these tonight, and don't forget to save this recipe.